morning, students. Today we will discuss Euclid's 5 postulates. The first postulate is that a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. If we take 2 points A and B, so we can draw a straight line between A and B. Second, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. What we call line segment today was called the terminated line by Euclid. So according to Euclid's second postulate, if we take a line segment AB, it can be extended on either side indefinitely to form a line. Third postulate is a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Whatever radius you take, whatever measurement you take, whether you take 2 centimeter, 2 inches, 1 centimeter, it's your, whatever we take, we can draw a circle with that radius and with any center. Fourth postulate is all right angles are equal to one another. Right angles means 90 degree. So suppose that I take 3 right angles like this. What we will find that they all right angles will be equal to one another. That is, their measurement will be 90 degree only. Now the fifth postulate, which is very important, if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines makes the interior on the same side of it taken together less than 2 right angles, then the 2 straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than 2 right angles. This means what? That if a line PQ falls on lines AB and CD, AB and CD are 2 lines on which the line PQ falls, such that the sum of the interior angles, what are the 2 interior angles over here? Angle 1 and angle 2. So the sum of the interior angles 1 and 2 is less than 180 degree on the left hand side of PQ, then the lines AB and CD will intersect on the left side of PQ. And when you extend this line at some point, this line will meet each other because the sum of the interior angles is less than 180 degree. Now axiom 5.1 is, given 2 distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. This means what? That if we take 2 points P and Q, then between these 2 points there will be only one line passing through them. Now let us discuss exercise 5.1 of NCERT. Question number 1 is, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reasons for your answer. First question is, only one line can pass through a single point. From axiom 5.1 we just discussed that between 2 points only one line can pass. But if here it is given that from one point only through a single point only one line can pass, this is false, because we can see that if we can draw a, if this is a point, suppose P, we can draw indefinite number of lines through this point. So this statement is false. There indefinite number of lines can pass through a single point. Now next is, there are an infinite number of lines which pass through 2 distinct points. Again, just now I told you this is again a false statement, because this statement contradicts axiom 5.1, which states that only one line can pass through 2 distinct points. Third is, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. This is true because this is in accordance with the second postulate which we had just discussed. Question number 4. If 2 circles are equal, then their radii are also equal. This is also true, because if we superimpose one circle on the other, then they coincide. So their centers and boundaries coincide, therefore their radii will also coincide. Suppose you take two circles, and if they are equal, they are coinciding with each other, this means what? That their radii are also equal. Fifth, it is, the figure is given, and it is given that AB is equal to PQ and PQ equals to XY. Then AB is equal to XY. This is again true. We can see that AB, it is given that AB, PQ and XY. It is given that AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY. Then it is given that AB equals to XY. AB is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to XY. So is AB equal to XY? So it is true, because things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, which we have studied in Euclid's axioms. Here the question number 2 is that you have to write down the definitions. Parallel lines, these are all the terms which you all have learnt in the previous classes also. So you have to write down on your own. Parallel lines, so what are parallel lines? Two lines are said to be parallel if they have no point in common. Then perpendicular lines, two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect at 90 degree. Line segment, the straight path between 2 points is called the line segment. Radius of a circle, it is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on its circumference. Square, it is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and each angle measures 90 degree. So students, you have to write down these definitions on your own. And for today your homework is to write down all the 5 Euclid's postulates, which is given in the summary part also. You can see page number 88. Euclid's 5 postulates are given. These 5 postulates you write down in your maths copy, and you solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 5.1, which we have just discussed. Thank you.